Have you ever wished you could turn back the clock? I'm not just talking about looking younger, but actually feeling younger, stronger, and more alive from the moment you wake up. What if I told you there's a way to reclaim that youthful vitality, not with a temporary fix, but by working with your body's natural power? That's exactly what we're going to talk about today. This isn't about another energy drink or a shot of caffeine. This is about deep cellular rejuvenation. So, let's get straight to it. We all know that feeling, the mid-afternoon slump, the mental fog that rolls in, or just feeling like your get up and go got up and went. We often blame it on a bad night's sleep or a busy schedule, but what if it's something deeper? What if our body's core energy generators are running on empty? That's where a breakthrough natural supplement called Endunad comes in. It's designed to support both energy and longevity by going straight to the source, helping to restore your natural vitality from the inside out. So, what's the secret sauce? How does Endunad manage to do this without the jitters and crashes we all hate? It all comes down to its powerful combination of natural ingredients that target your cells at their very core. Specifically, it focuses on improving mitochondrial function. Now, you might remember mitochondria from your high school biology class. They are the tiny powerhouses inside every single one of our cells. They are responsible for producing the energy that fuels everything you do, from thinking and breathing to running a marathon. As we age, or when we're under stress, our mitochondrial function can decline. This means our cells can't produce energy as efficiently. The result? We feel tired, sluggish, and mentally drained. Endunad works by giving these cellular powerhouses the support they need to function optimally. When your mitochondria are strong and healthy, they can create more clean, sustained energy. This translates to you feeling more alert, focused, and physically ready to take on whatever your day throws at you. It's not a jolt of artificial energy. It's your own body working at its peak potential. But wait, there's more. The benefits don't just stop at energy. Endunad also plays a crucial role in supporting longevity, helping your body age more gracefully. One of the biggest culprits behind the aging process is something called oxidative stress and free radical damage. Think of it like rust on a car. Over time, it causes wear and tear on our cells. Endunad is packed with a potent antioxidant blend that acts like a shield, working to neutralize these free radicals and reduce oxidative stress. By protecting your cells and supporting their natural repair processes, Endunad helps you maintain your strength, your endurance, and your mental clarity, even as the years go by. It's about adding life to your years, not just years to your life. Now I know what you're thinking. This sounds great, but what will I actually feel? Well, the feedback from people who have made Endunad part of their daily routine is incredibly inspiring. Many report a consistent stream of energy throughout the day. Say goodbye to that dreaded 3 p.m. crash. They talk about having better focus at work, being able to push harder during their workouts, and recovering faster afterwards. But most importantly, they describe a general feeling of vitality, that sense of well-being that makes everyday life more vibrant and enjoyable. And the best part? Endunad achieves all of this naturally. There are no harsh stimulants, no artificial additives, and absolutely no crash. It's just clean, steady energy that allows your mind and body to function at their best. It's about nurturing your body, not just forcing it to perform. Whether you're a busy professional juggling deadlines, an athlete striving for a new personal best, or simply someone who wants to stay active and feel youthful for as long as possible, Endunad provides the foundational support your body needs to truly thrive. It's like handing your cells a complete toolkit to recharge, rebuild, and renew themselves every single day. So if you've been feeling drained, if you feel like you've lost that spark, or you just don't feel like yourself lately, it might be time to stop looking for quick fixes and start giving your body the deep, natural boost it deserves. With consistent use, Endunad can help you rediscover that drive, that focus, and that boundless energy that makes life so much more fulfilling. It's time to feel younger, get stronger, and live more alive. If you're ready to start your journey toward lasting energy and longevity, I've put a link in the description below where you can learn more and see how Endunad can work for you. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more content on how to live your best, most vibrant life. We'll see you in the next one.